He's playing with monster cans again. What is he doing? Well, my experiment is to see how durable these cans are to fire. I want to boil water in them, let's say 5 times, to see if, they can hold up to that. So maybe in like some sort of situation, maybe these could be a temporary replacement for a more durable metal water bottle or canteen. We'll see. Now, I guess a good trick would be to not knock these down somehow. Okay. You can see here they are boiling. First boil complete. Let's pull these out and take a look at them. All right. So, here we go. You can see not really any damage. Besides from, the paint discoloring. I have a feeling with this NOS one, I didn't look at the bottom, but I feel like it's a little off balance, or it could just be me. So that's one. I'm gonna let this cool down and then let the coal base build up and do test number 2 coming up. So what I decided to do is to put them in this water to cool down faster, so that way not only can we speed the test up, but it'll also stress the metal more. And that's something I want to do, is test this metal, the stress on this metal, to see if these can be used in a situation more than once. So all right, out of the water and back into the fire. Let's see if we can keep going with this. Probably could get faster boil times if I use the caps, but I also want to, be able to see that they're boiling. So, here we go. Boil number 2 complete, and let's go cool them down. I'm actually really surprised how the the labels are staying pretty actually well intact. I figured they would have burned off a lot quicker. All right, number 3. Ow, 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 it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Oh, that's hot. Oh, golly. Golly, that's hot. Whew, that is hot in there. I probably should have done gloves. Ooh, just that heat. Golly. Oh, actually, I may have actually burnt myself a little bit. Ooh. I didn't touch anything. It's just the heat coming off. All right, we got our 3rd successful boil. Yes, I'm going to use gloves to take it out now because that got pretty hot last time. Let's take a look and see how these bottles are doing. Alright, here they are, still holding up. Still holding up, yeah, not leaking. That's impressive. Let's get them in the water to cool down. I wonder if I could just stick out the glove. I wouldn't reach into the fire and do this though. Alright, there we go. Number 3 complete. On to number 4. Alright, coming in number 4. Number 4. Let's get it on. Alright. We got our 4th boil down. 4th complete. 1 more to go. Let's go ahead and get these pulled out and cooled down. Cooled down. Let's get them back in for the 5th and final. Right, is that leaking? No. Oh wait, no, it's not leaking. All right. I think some just boiled out. Nope. Okay. And so this 5th and final one, let's do it big. Let's make some fire. Yeah, let's do it big. Let's really get that thing boiling. Don't do this at home. Gonna work this one over. So after all that, boiled number 5 completed. So all right, let's get these pulled out of here, cooled down and inspected. Ooh, 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 ooh. My fault. All right, taking a look at these. Yeah, they're still hot, of course. So there we go. Both of these not leaking. And 5 boils. That's pretty good. Of course, they probably would have boiled faster with the lids on, but I wanted to keep an eye on it. As for my hand, it's fine. It's just like got a feeling of maybe like a real light sunburn. Should have used gloves from the beginning. That's okay though. So, would I recommend using a Monster can as a makeshift water bottle in an emergency? Yes. Should it replace your regular metal water bottle? I would probably say no, but they are pretty light. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna get the weight. Right, so the NOS one is 33 grams empty with the lid. Monster, I think you're gonna be within 1 to 2 grams. It's for 24 ounces. That's really light, you know, that's really good. But the biggest factor, I think, for this is durability. It's a stick. Doesn't take much to puncture it. So that's what I'd be cautious about. But again, as I said, in an emergency, yeah, these can work. So remember, get outside, enjoy life, do a science, just be safe about it. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.